Namaskar. In this session, we are going to discuss about the practical and project courses of MA in Journalism and Mass Communication, MAJMC program. So this session will be useful for all the students of MA in Journalism and Mass Communication. So if you will see the structure of MA in Journalism and Mass Communication, this program is divided into 2 years, first year and second year. And in first year, there are total 8 courses. MJM 20, that is Introduction to Journalism and Mass Communication, MJM 21, Reporting Techniques, MJM 22, Writing and Editing for Print Media, MJM 23, Broadcast and Online Journalism, MJM 24, Media and Society, MJM 25, Media Ethics and Laws. So these 6 theory courses. And then there are 2 practical courses, MJML 120 or 20, Practical Print and Online, MJML 121 or just 21, Practical Audiovisual. These are 2 practical courses. So if you will see the structure of MA in Journalism and Mass Communication, we have total 3 different types of courses. 3 different types of courses. First is theory courses, second practical courses, and third is project courses. So in this session, we will discuss about the practical courses and project courses. So in first year, we have total 8 courses, and in second year, we have total 8 courses. So out of 8 courses of the first year, 6 courses are theory courses and 2 are practical courses. Theory are simple. You will get study material. You have to, there are 2 components, assignments and term-end examination. Okay, assignments are uploaded on the IGNOU website. You have to complete all the assignments. Then you can sit into in term-end examination. So the total weightage is 70% weightage is of term-end examination, 30% weightage of assignments. So this is the evaluation structure of theory courses. But in practical courses, things are different. Okay. So first thing is, before attempting practical or project courses, you all are advised to go through the theory courses properly. Because in first year and in second year also, practical and project courses are basically requires the application of knowledge you are getting from the theory courses. So if you will jump directly to the practical or project courses, you will face a lot of problem. So first advice is, before attempting the practical and project courses, complete the theory courses thoroughly and properly. Because in practical courses and project course, you have to utilize your knowledge gained from the theory courses in these practical and project courses. So we will discuss these courses year wise. So now our focus is first year. In first year, we have 2 practical courses, MJML 120 and MJML 121. Again, in second year, if you will see the structure, we have total 8 courses, 6 theory courses, 1 practical course and 1 project course. So we will discuss about the second year courses also. But first, let us discuss about the first year. So in first year, we have first practical course is Practical Print and Online. The course code is MJML 020/120. So there are 2 course codes. MJML 020, the students who got admission till July 2022 admission cycle, so they are getting code MJML 020. Okay. And the students who admitted or who got admission from January 2023, they will get the code MJML 120. Okay. So this is about practical, print and online. As name suggests, these practicals are based on print media and online media. And you have already seen that in first year we have theory courses focused on broadcast and online journalism. Also online is there. We have courses on reporting techniques, print media, features and everything, whatever activities you have to perform in this practical course, everything you will get in the theory courses, in the study material of theory courses. So first go through the study material of theory courses properly. That is mandatory. For theory courses, you are getting study material. But for practical and project courses, there is a concept of manual or handbook. Okay. These manuals are describing, giving you an idea, guiding you to complete the practical or project course. So nowadays, we are not sending the hard copies of practical manuals or project handbooks. These are available. The digital copy of these manuals are available. So to get these digital copy, just visit IGNOU website. Okay. In student services, you will find the first thing is eGyan-Kosh. eGyan-Kosh is the digital repository of Indira Gandhi National Open University, and all our study material, manuals, handbooks are available on this digital platform. So you need to go to the eGyan-Kosh. Once you will click the eGyan-Kosh, you will be directed to this page. This is the eGyan-Kosh page. In search box, you can type MAJMC English, because MAJMC we are offering in 3 languages, English, Hindi and Tamil. So just type MAJMC English and it will direct you to this page. Here you can see the community name, Master of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication, MAJMC English. Once you will click it, here you can find the study material of all the courses of MAJMC. Okay. And on the same page, you will find all the manuals. This is the MJML 20 Practical Print and Online Manual. MJML 20 and MJML 120 are same. MJML 21 Practical Audio Visual, MJML 21 or 121, both are same. Then MJML 22 Practical Research Methodology. It's these two are of second year courses. Okay. So this is MJML 22. MJML 22 or MJML 122, both are same. And then MJMP 20, this is the project, stages of project work. Here you will find all the guidance about the project work. So MJMP 20 or MJMP 120, both are same. So you can see that apart from all these study material of theory courses, the practical manuals are also available on the eGyan-Kosh. And nowadays, we are not dispatching the hard copies of practical and project manual. So all learners are requested or suggested to download these practical manuals from eGyan-Kosh. You can get it from eGyan-Kosh. I explained how to get the practical manuals or project handbook from eGyan-Kosh. So once you will see the practical manual of MJML 20 or 120 or 21 or 121, you will get complete clarity about the activities, the steps and the important things what should be kept in our consideration while doing these practical courses. So there are certain important things which are learners are required to do. First is go through the study material of all the 6 theory courses properly, as in this practical course you have to apply your knowledge learned from these theory courses. I have already explained it. There will be no face-to-face classes for the practical course, so there is no issue of attendance. However, students are advised to attend various sessions focused on this practical course organized on different technological platforms such as Gyan Darshan, Gyan Vani, Gyan Dhara and other online platforms like Google Classroom, Facebook, etc. Live. Please join the Google Classroom and Facebook page of School of Journalism and New Media Studies for latest updates and academic support. So there is no face-to-face classes and counseling sessions for these practical courses. As I told you earlier, in these practical courses, there are the list of activities and you have to perform those activities, compile them and submit for the evaluation. So this is the format of this practical course, both the practical courses basically. And if you want to do these activities properly, first complete the theory courses. Second important thing, follow the School of Journalism and New Media Studies Facebook page, official Facebook page, because we are using that page as a bulletin, as an information bulletin for the students. And whatever activities or sessions we are providing for the students through Gyan Darshan, Gyan Vani, or other online tools, we are communicating, we are sharing those information on our Facebook page. So you can get current information about these practical courses and project courses also. You have to prepare a production portfolio and submit it to your study center. Okay. So now what is production portfolio? Production portfolio is nothing but the compilation of certain activities listed here. Okay. Like we are talking about at present, we are talking about MJML 020 or MJML 120, which is practical print and online. Okay. So in this course, there are total 15 activities listed in the production portfolio. And these activities are linked to print media and online media, because the course is practical print and online. So the activities related to both the media, print and online, are listed here. Like first activity is political news report, 300 to 500 words. Total marks assigned 3. So you have to write political news report in 300 to 500 words. Then the second activity is legal or court news report. Again, the word limit is 300 to 500. Then sports news report, again 300 to 500. Then news report on health issues. Then news report on educational issues. Then news report on local governance issues. Then crime news report. Then business news report, then news report on lifestyle, fashion or films. So the first 9 activities are basically you have to write news reports on different beats. Okay, these are different beats. Business is a different beat, crime is a different beat, politics is different beat, health is different beat, education is different beat. So these are the beats, and you have to write news reports on these 9 different beats. So news report writing is a clear-cut format. There is a style. You must give the headlines, then date line, place line, credit line, and follow the inverted pyramid style to write your news report. So that is mandatory, okay, to follow these things, basic things while writing a news report. So these are the first 9 activities are linked with the news report writing. Then the 10th one is feature on any issue of your choice. And if you will go through the study material of first year properly of different theory courses, you will find enough, content on how to write a news report. What are the important elements of a news report? What are the, what things we should keep in mind while writing a news report on different beats? So these things, these information, these knowledge you will find in theory courses. Now the 10th activity is feature writing. It is related to feature writing. Feature on any issue of your choice, 700 to 1000 words, 5 marks. Okay. So this is the 10th activity is linked with the feature writing. In theory courses, there is a unit of feature writing, different types of features, how to give proper suitable headlines to feature, and what should be the writing style in feature. So everything is mentioned, discussed there. So go through that and write a feature on any topic of your choice. Then the 11th activity is conduct and write an interview with any local politician, sports person, artist, social worker, academician for a newspaper. Okay. So here you have to conduct an interview with any local politician, sports person, it's a mention, and you have to write that interview for a newspaper, because interview can be for any medium. It may be for print, it may be for radio, it may be for television, it may be for digital media also. Okay, but here you have to conduct and write the interview for newspaper. Okay, and always try to paste the picture of your interviewee with your when you are writing interview for a newspaper's format. Okay. Then the 12th activity is click and print 2 photographs having news value, write their captions to, use any type of camera including mobile phones, provide soft copies in a CD, DVD or pen drive. Okay. So here you have to click 2 photographs with the help of any type of camera including your smartphone cameras. But the photograph should have news value. Photography have different types, and journalistic photography or photojournalism is a type of photography where we are using photography to communicate the news items, to communicate the news. So while selecting the photograph, when you are thinking to click 2 photographs, you should keep in your mind that those photographs should have news value. Okay, then click that photograph, then write a caption for that and attach the hard copy. Okay, and write these 2 photographs images, save these 2 images in a CD or a pen drive also. Okay. Activity number 13 is database news report, 300 to 500 words. Use any data set provided by the government or well-known international or national organizations. Also include minimum 1 data visualization in this report. So activity number 13 is based on data journalism. We have a dedicated unit on data journalism. Go through that, read that. You will get clarity about the data journalism. Then we have dedicated units on data visualization also. Okay. So here you must understand what is the difference between general news report and database news report. So item number 1 to 9 were talking about the general news report, but item number 13 is talking about the database news report. So database news report is basically based on any data set or any report. So for your news report, you can use the open data sets available by the government or well-known international organization like UN and other organizations of UN. Okay. So you can utilize the open data set provided by the government of India or different state governments or United Nations organizations. Okay. So these data sets can be utilized. Data visualization is very important in database news report. So create a data visualization with the help of computer and take the printout and paste that data visualization with your database news report. Then the item number 14 is design and print the front page of a lab journal, tabloid size. Provide soft copy in a CD or DVD. So layout designing, we have a dedicated unit on layout designing also. Lab journal means a journal which we are publishing for the practical purposes. Lab is for laboratory journal. So the lab journal is a journal which is not published for actual use. Students are publishing lab journals for their learning purposes. Okay. So lab journal is nothing but a journal which students are publishing for the learning purposes in colleges and universities. Okay. So here you have to just design the front page of a lab journal, and you can use any software to design it. Try to use open source software also, and take the printout of this front page, attach with the file, and also save the soft copy of your image file in the CD, DVD or pen drive. Okay. Then the last activity, activity number 15, design 5 pages, 1 home page and 4 other pages of a news website. 4 other pages may be based on sports, national, international, entertainment, business, city, opinion, etc. The learners may use the above mentioned content item number 1 to 13 in web pages. Enclose the printouts of your web pages and also provide soft copy in a CD, DVD or pen drive. So in item number 15, basically you have to design 5 web pages, news web pages. 1 will be the home page and 4 other will be the specialized pages. So we have in our theory course, there is one course MJM 23 that is talking about broadcast and online journalism. So there are several different types, different ways to create web pages. So you can utilize any way to create the web pages, and those all these 5 web pages should be interlinked. and one will be the home, and other 4 will be the other specialized pages, maybe on business, maybe on international or lifestyle. So whatever content you created in item number 1 to 13, it means everything: news reports, features, database news report, interviews, all those material you can utilize in these web pages. Okay, and prepare these web pages. You can save those pages in the CD, DVD or pen drive and attach the printout of those web pages with the file also. So in the practical course, practical print and online, MJML 020 or 120, you have to do 15 activities. Most of the activities are the writing or the activities where you need to submit hard copies. In all activities, you need to submit hard copies. But in some activities, you require to submit soft copies also. So take a CD, take a DVD or take a printout, and all the soft copies, wherever soft copies are required and mentioned in the production practical manual, save in that same CD, DVD or pen drive with the file name. File name you can make it as an activity number. Okay. Now, there are certain important instruction for preparing production portfolio of MJML 20 or 120. All news reports, features and interviews of the production portfolio will be written by hand. This is important. It should be, all the writing work will be handwritten. Okay. Production portfolio can be prepared in English or Hindi, or now in Tamil also, because MAJMC is also available in Tamil. Data visualization for item number 13 will be generated with the help of computer, and their printout should be attached with the handwritten database news report. Compile all the items in a folder and mention your details: name, enrollment number, program code, course code, email ID, etc. Everything. One CD, DVD or pen drive containing soft copies of photographs, front page of the lab journal, and 5 web pages must be submitted with the production portfolio. Attach it properly with portfolio and don't forget to mention your details on it. Learners are advised to make their own production portfolios and not copy them from anywhere. Production portfolios may be rejected if evidence of copying or other malpractices is found. Okay. So these are certain important instructions you need to follow. Prepare it, attach the CD, DVD or pen drive, whatever you are opting with that file, and submit it to your study center, because these production portfolios should be submitted at a study center. If you are facing any issue in submitting the production portfolio at a study center, contact your regional center, concerned regional center. I hope you found this session useful for you. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.